Welcome to our tutorial about editing views. First, let's create a projected view. We click on the parent view, place a second one here, and let's right-click, Create. Now let's edit the view. We right-click and select Edit View. I'm able to edit everything that's not grayed out. After I'm done, click OK. The same will work for the projected view. Right-click, Edit View. Here, in order to change the style and the scale, I'm going to need to unlink them. And when I'm ready, I click OK. This concludes our tutorial about editing views.